Hi guys, so how to solve Instagram story problem? First thing you want to do is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go into the airplane mode, enable it, go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you want to do here is just wait a few seconds, and after that just scroll. Okay, scroll and scroll until you find Instagram. Click on Instagram and click on force stop to stop the app. And now click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Disable the airplane mode and the problem must be solved. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.